It's me, Stomp The Bean, and welcome back to some more Age of Engineering. Yes, we are back here on the server, and we are joined by Elias, Big Daddy J, and Now You See Me. Yeah, guys, if you're still enjoying this series, then please do hit that like button down below. Also, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe to daily Minecraft videos. Please do tell all your friends, family, and all that about the channel, because I need the help. I really do need the help. Yeah, if you could do that, that would be wonderful. Also, if you want to come and join the server, then all you have to do is head on over to Patreon, and if you pledge the $5 tier or more, then you will gain access to this server. The link for Patreon, or my Patreon page, is in the description down below. Right, let's get on with it. I was just getting some food. Yeah, I'm running low on food. Food is an issue. As you can see, I've got myself some rubber trees going here because we are about to get into IC2. I've had a visit from Big Daddy J's horse that says, Clippy says hi, because his horse is named Clippy. Don't ask. I've no idea. But he found out where I lived anyway. I've got some pork chops cooking up in here. I'm going to fire those into there. I've got 12 done. So yeah, so that's cooking away. That's good. We've got food. Right. So, Industrial Craft 2. I need to look at the information tab. So it's the guide here, Age of Engineering, and we're on the Industrial Age. Now you're ready to build your first machines from Industrial Craft 2. For that, you're going to need to find rubber trees, which I've got, and make a forge hammer, which I've got, which needs treated sticks made from creosote oil from a coke oven, which I've got. Plates need 2 ingots, so you should make a metal former pretty fast, and of course a macerator. I think that's going to be the main goal for today, is to get a macerator going to double our ores. I need 8 diamonds and the metal former needs 4. I currently have I believe 9 diamonds. Yeah, so I've got enough for the macerator but not the metal former. So let's look at getting the macerator at least sorted. So Industrial Craft, we're going to need a generator, which is going to require we'll use this one. So it's going to require iron plates, and we're going to need an RE battery, which is some insulated tin cable and some tin item cases. To make a tin plate, you need to take a tin plate and smack it with a forge hammer. And to get the tin plate from IC2, this guy here, then we need 2 tin ingots. So let's start off and make that generator. So we do have tin. Plenty of it as well, so let's smelter. Let's do 16 of those for now. Let's do that at least. Let's get those. Oh, we cannot. How do I'm confused. How do I? Oh yeah, with the smeltery. That's right. So let's put those 16 in there, and we'll pull them out in blocks. So sorry, I'm used to playing full craft, and yeah, I'm not remembering what it is I've got to do. So I should have enough for the 2 blocks, I think, with 16. If not, I'll just fire some more in. That's not a problem. That should be all of it out. Yeah, there we go. Right, so you're not full, and you're not full. Right, I just need 2 more then. Because it's 18 really I needed. I know what I'm doing, don't worry. So let's get those in and drain those out like so. That should give me enough tin now. I'm going to need iron. Do I? Whatever. Do I have iron spare? I've got 7, so let's fire. How are we doing for iron? Let's just put those 28 in there for now, and we'll get those going. Right, let's take the tin out like so, and we should be able to turn it straight into the tin ore. That's good. And then using our forge hammer, we should be able to do this. Yeah, there we go. That's going to give me 2 tin plates. Right, so I need tin item casings, so, and that gives me 2. So where did I put? That was weird. So if I put the forge hammer here with you, and you. That should give me the 4 that I need. I think it's 4. 4 for the RE battery. Then I'm going to need an insulated tin cable. So I'm going to need to make some cutters, which I think is iron plates and iron ingots, I believe. So let's make some iron plates as well. I think it's 3 plates. I want to say 3 and 2, but I'm not 100% sure. Right, we've got 2 blocks exactly there, so let's pull those 2 blocks out, because that's going to help us. We're probably going to have to cook some more. It's just going to be the way it is, but it's fine. Do we have no buckets? I need to put some more lava into here. Let's just put there. Oh yes, I should mention as well. I can't remember who it was. I think it was Martini. Said to try and make a sickle. Sickles are pretty cool. If you go up to, let's say, a tree and hit it, it does AoE damage. Is it AoE? I'm sure it's AoE. Age of Engineering damage. But it breaks multiple things. It's a bit like having the forge. No, not forge hammer. The hammer from Tinker's Construct. It breaks a certain area. And you get all sorts of things from it. Break these down, actually. Let's see if I can get some more rubber saplings. That would be nice if I could have those. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Right, let's eat some of this. Yeah, rubber saplings. We've got 5. We're doing good. Oh, it's the bees. It's the bees. So yeah, so I made a couple of sickles. They're quite handy. Never had those before. Let's get rid of you, and you can go in there. And you. Right, there we go. Right, let's get our blocks of iron, like so. We'll break those down into ingot form, and then we're going to need to make the scissors. And I'm pretty sure it's like this, and then alright, maybe like that. Yeah, there we go, the cutters. Right, so now if we take our tin ingots, we make ourselves a plate like so. That'll get me a tin plate, and then if I take that and use the scissors, then we get those. Right, so now I'm going to need a tree tap, and a tree tap is made like that. There we go. Yeah, that's cool. And this is going to get the rubber stuff off of the. I can't remember what it's called. It's like sap, tree sap, but it's not. It's sticky resin. It's called. I always forget what it's called. Right. Let's grab you and you. Did I get that one? No. They always have to fly about a mile away as well. I don't know why. Is there any more sticky resin on this tree? No, there's one up there though. Can I reach that? I cannot reach. Do we have this? Let's do this. That's better. I want as much as I can possibly get for now. Right, you've just grown, so that's. Sticky resin is what you need to get started in this mod, so it's definitely worth making. Right, how much we got? We got 16 for now. Just get what I can see. There we go, that'll do 23. Oh look, there's more. There we go, cool. Right, we've used up that as well, so that's good. Right, so sticky resin, I think. Can it be? Yeah, it can. It can be smelted up into here, into rubber. So we'll let that do its thing. While we're waiting for that to do its thing, we need to make a basic machine casing. So that's going to cost us 8 plates. Yeah, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 plates. So we're going to need 16 iron just to make the 8 plates. There we go. That's the 8 plates. Wow, we're going to need more iron. We are going to really need more iron. Let's put another half a stack in there as well. Might as well. Oh well. Where are you? There you go. And we can grab some lava from here. There we go. Fill that up as well. Cool. Right. So while we're waiting for the iron, then we can make this guy. Obviously. Where's my crafting table? That, and this. There we go. That gets me the basic machine casing thing. We need a furnace, which we can make quite easily. Do you know what? I'll just take one of these because I'm not really using them. That'll do perfect. And then it's just this RE battery, which we should have. Yeah, we got some rubber cooking there. So let's see. It's I think like this and wrong thing, and like this gives me the cable. That's it. And then all I need is 2 pieces of redstone, which I do have in here. I have got some redstone. So we are good to go. We are good to go. We should be able to make this now. Oh, sorry, make this. And then make this. There we go. That's got us a generator. That's got us a little bit into the electronic age, if you will. Please forgive my dogs for barking. I'm very sorry. Right, so now we've got a generator. We want to look at making the macerator, and it's better to type it in for me to find it. Macerator. So it's going to be a basic machine casing, so that's going to be more of our iron. Metallurgic infuser, no, we want this guy. So we're going to need insulated copper cable, iron plate, redstone. So we're going to need copper as well. So let's get, we've got plenty of copper, so we're good for that. Let's get that cooking. Let's cook you up first and pour out some more iron because we're going to need it. What else do we need? We need one of these guys. So we can do that right now because we have the 8 diamonds required. There we go. And we should be able to do this, followed by this. There we go. That gets me that. I need 2 flint. 2 flint. Oh, that's lucky. 2 flint. And I think that is it. I'm just kind of waiting for the cobblestone and the electronic circuit being the hard part to make. But we do have these here, so we could take those from there. How are we doing for iron now? We've got another 2 blocks to come out. So let's take those 2 blocks out, and let's throw in some copper ore as well. Cool, right. Oh man, this is hard work today. This is hard work. Right, so we've got 22 rubber. We are all set. That copper's going to take a little while. Okay, so 2 cobblestone. I should have those somewhere. There we go. Done. Any ores or anything like that? No. We got inventory. Yay! Oh, I've also got an ender pearl. Wherever I just see that. Yeah, because I found an ender lily. It's over here. I've already harvested it once. I found an ender lily when I was out with the sickle, and I was just going along, just like literally just whacking the grass, and then ender lily popped out of the grass, which was kind of cool. Because obviously ender pearls, I can imagine, are going to be really difficult to get in this pack, because this pack is just insane in terms of how difficult it is or how grindy it is. So yeah, that's what I've been doing just off camera, and also a lot more mining as well. So yeah, so we have been doing that. Right, these are ready. How are we doing for the copper? So we should have, yeah, 2 blocks of copper. We'll pull that out, and then we can go over here and start making our 8 ingots. Oh, we've got to turn those into ingots. There we go. There we go. That should give me the 8 that I need for this guy here. So if I take those out, turn those in, that'll get me the basic machine casing, and then it's just this guy. So I'm going to need 1 more iron plate, 2 redstone, and the copper cable. So 1 more iron plate, like so, 2 redstone, which I'm not connected to that chest, so I will have to get them manually. 1, 2, like that, and then it's the copper cable, which we'll take these, break these down, and just make a bunch of copper plates, because I'm not really too bothered about that. There we go. And then if we take this, and 2, 3. I think it's 2 actually. Should get me 6 is what I need. Oh really, it's 3. Okay. That'll give me the 6 I need, and then if I take these, mix those with those, that is 6, and then I should be able to make this guy, and then I should be able to do this. There we go. We've got the Macerator. Thank you. Thank you very much. Right, now the Macerator. I think I can connect this, but I'm not going to. I'll just use this insulated tin cable to connect it up. That's kind of weird. And let's put this down like so. And then if I put some tiny coal in here, we should start powering the Macerator, which means then I can actually double my ores. So now for 1 ingot I get 2. So whenever I make ores or materials with the forge hammer, it's not going to be too expensive. It's going to be fair. Yeah, there we go. We get 2 crushed iron. Now do the crushed iron smell in here? That would be nice to know. They do indeed, and they're going to turn into 2 ores, so that's brilliant. That means that I can set this up and automate this a little bit, and the way I can do that, how many of these do I need? 9. I need 9, but if I put them in here, do they work in here? I don't know whether they work in here or not, do they? They do. Okay, that's cool. Let's double those up then, because there's no point like trying to waste anything. I might as well just yeah, there we go. We've got ingots galore now. I might as well try and get it all sorted that way and double up my ores and things like that. There's no point wasting anything. Definitely not. Right, how do we do it? Copper plates. I'll have to put in. Yeah, let's put those in there, and then this guy in here. So I would like to continue on with the tech tree of making more stuff, but the problem is I just can't. I've got no choice. I've got no diamonds. I can't make any more stuff. But I would like the metal 4 next, and yeah, then we can get into all the IC2 machines. 6. Let's go and put those in here. I think this is out of lava. Oh, it is out of lava. Let's go and grab some more lava out of here then, just so we can get this smelting up, because it is kind of handy to use lava for smelting. So if you go in there, yes you do. Are you going to turn into aluminium, which is what I think it should be. Let's grab those. There we go. I may just make a quick trip and just go and grab a load of lava. I've got my bucket on me. Let's teleport down there. Teleport, there we go, lava. Let's fill this guy up. What? No. Take those torches out of my inventory. Ah! This game's getting a little jumpy. I may just make like a couple of these tanks and automatically get them to fill up my my lava tank. How are we doing now? 13. There we go. I think we're good. We're good. Yeah, I was wondering then. It didn't look right. Whoa, don't fall in there. Right, let's just teleport back home. Yes, I do all the teleportings. I don't really care. So what I can do is I can place this right here, and then I can set it to output push. There we go, and that will automatically fill up that for me. So that means I can then, yeah, there we go. We've got the aluminium. I can then have it just fill up constantly all the time if I need it to. Right, that should be finished. So we just need to wait for that to smelt, but that's okay. While we're waiting for that to smelt, I will go ahead and make myself a couple of chests. There we go. I have no idea what a Klondike bar is. Now you see me. Sorry, I ain't got a clue. I don't have a clue. Right, let's make ourselves a hopper like so. And we're going to need more chests. I haven't got enough here, I don't think. Let's do that. And let's do that. There we go. And that's all finished. So I'm just waiting for this guy. Nope, okay. Okay, so let's try and get this sort of automated if we can. Let's put, so we're going to use the hopper. And, we're going to use the hopper there. I want to output from underneath, so I'm going to need to break these. Right, I do get those back. I was worried I wouldn't. And then we'll put those like that, so they're connected. I don't even know whether I need them. I think it could just work running next to it, but it's probably the best bet to get it running like that. Right, okay, so if we put a chest on top, like so, and how are we doing in here? We are done. Then if we take this with you, like so, and then another one like so, and I'm going to need 2 more chests. I might just have enough here. Yeah, that'll do perfectly. So, what I want to do is we'll take this, take that. Right, there we go. So, we'll place a chest here. Then we will place the hopper just here. So that's going to pull out anything that goes into there. So anything that goes through will pull out. And then we need another chest like this, filled with tiny coal to keep it powered. So let's go and grab a bunch of coal, and we'll turn that into tiny coal like so. That's cool. This should work. I'm hoping it does. Yeah, it sounds like it does, because that is actually filling up. That's perfect, which is giving this power. So then all I need to do is take all of my ores, bauxite, tin, copper, osmium. I don't know whether osmium will work. I'm not sure. Let's leave osmium at the moment because I don't feel like I'm going to need it. I'm going to need iron, obviously, and copper, silver, lead, and gold, and nickel. So if I take all of these ores now and place them up in here, it should automatically feed into the system and output exactly double what went in. So let's just make sure this is working. Crushed tin ore. So we have successfully automated ore doubling. I would like to just put a bit more coal in there, just because I am about to log off the server. So I feel like I'm going to use all the coal I've got, just to make as much tiny coal as possible. Now I know it's kind of wasteful, but I'm quite happy to go mining for loads. I've actually walked past loads of it and left it. So if I leave that like that, it should fill up, because we've got all of this in here filling up as well. And that should hopefully process all that ore for me, and then it's literally a case of going over there and smelting it all down for the next episode. But with that, guys, I'm going to leave it there. If you did enjoy, please do hit that like button down below. Yeah, if you want to come and join the server, then all you got to do is head on over to Patreon. The link is in the description down below, and yeah, you can come play with us, guys, on this server or the Fullcraft server. Yeah, it's fun, and we've got a wonderful community. I must admit that our community is the best in terms of people. We're awesome. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I've been Stomp the Bean. This has been Age of Engineering.